Right, hey YouTubers, I have a 2019 Class C Thor 4Winds 30D. This is a Coleman Mac AC system for this. It's 13,500 BTUs. And my problem today is that it's leaking inside of the RV. There's water pouring inside the vents. So what I've done so far is I've taken out 4 screws off the top of this AC and removed this cover. Then we've unscrewed these screws here. There's several just screws on the top that you remove with 3 little brackets, and then this pulls off. Okay. Now, if you look down through here, you can see the water is dripping off here and is standing right here. On both sides, there's 2 little drain holes, and there's debris. You probably can't see it through the camera, but there's debris caught in each one of these little holes. And we're gonna vacuum this out here and get all that debris cleaned out, put it back on, and we should be good to go. By the way, I did turn off the power to this unit, so that's a good idea to do just to protect yourself. So we're gonna vacuum this out here. There's a little plug on this side and one over here on this side. So we're just gonna vacuum this water out. All right, I vacuumed that all out, and as you can see in the pictures, hopefully, the 2 little drain tubes are now clear. And I did just gently vacuum off this grate here and get some of the dirt off, and we're ready to close it back up now. The easiest way to get this apart is to just kind of show this here. Take your screwdriver up and under, and then lift it, and it will come disconnected. Back. And clamp these back together. Now you can see they're all connected again. We're going to screw it back on.